If you are looking for best hair dryers for men and women, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular Solano SuperSolano professional hair dryer.
Sounds good.
Product number 2, Panasonic NA65K Nano Hair Dryer. Product number 3, Elchim Classic 2001 Dryer. Product number 4, T3 Featherweight Luxe 2i Dryer. Product number 5, T3 Micro Featherweight Compact Folding Dryer.
Hi, I'm Jill Crosby, stylist for T3, and today I want to show you how to create the twisted blowout using T3's Featherweight Compact Dryer. Rough dry hair till it's about 90% dry. Finish drying using the paddle brush for a more smooth finish. Take 1 to 2 inch sections of hair. Apply heat to the root of the hair using 2-inch barrel brush and Featherweight Compact Dryer. Twist the brush once around and continue directing the dryer at the brush. The more times you twist the strand, the curlier it gets. Move the dryer away and let the hair cool. Once it's cool, pull the brush down vertically to release all the hair. Rake your fingers through the waves to break it up. And there it is, the twisted blowout in 5 simple steps.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.